Hi and welcome to Connie Craze. This is the third video of my step-by-step guide to actively prep my pack for the arrival of my baby. Today we will be working on how to teach your dog to go to her spot and to settle there. So grab your treats and get ready.
I'm Fabia Feuerabend, an internationally certified dog trainer, behaviorist, nutritionist and canine fitness coach. As a busy mom of an ever-growing pack, I'm constantly trying to balance what I love, training dogs, my career, passion and interests, with who I love, my dogs, friends and family. Here are some of my tips and tricks for keeping the relationship to my dogs healthy, fit and fun while trying to balance it all.
Time is really flying and I'm already in week 12 now, and I did not have a single day of morning sickness, which I'm very happy about. The only thing is I'm still super tired and I could basically sleep all the time. Now Stella has settled down and is not so pushy anymore and is just being back to being her normal naughty self. Shauna, on the other hand, was giving me a really hard time lately, as we were just playing as usual, and then from one second to the other she would switch into total avoidance. So she would even leave the room. And yeah, I think it's probably to some hormonal fluctuation thingies that she's picking up on that are confusing her. And about half an hour later she comes back and is back to being her happy self. Last time, the link to the video is in the description below, we were freshening up basic obedience, and this will be useful for today's training as well. Today, we will be teaching our dogs to go to their spot. This could, for example, be their bed, and stay there, and eventually settle. When picking a spot, pick something that is comfy for your dog, and choose a spot that is quiet, but where your dog still sees what's going on. Then, Shauna, come here. Start simple with a food lure. Have the lure and lure your dog up onto the spot. Yes, good job. Now if your dog is a little bit shy, you can start with just putting one paw up, two paws up, until you can make it with all four paws up on the spot. Right, come off. Yes, come, 1, 2, 3, 4, yes. Yes, and reward for putting 4 paws on the spot. What you want to create is that going onto the spot and laying down becomes like one motion. Once you are there, there are 2 things you want to work on. First, going to the spot on her own, and second, staying there and settling down. In order to teach your dog to go to her spot on her own, you first need to fade out the lure. To do this, you can take the treats, but put them in your other hand. Have your empty hand and guide your dog onto her spot, tell her down, and then reward her for going onto her spot a couple of times. Release her and start all over again. Yes, good job. Good job. Come. Good. When your dog is able to do it without a lure, you can start to introduce your command, like go to your spot. So you say your command first and then give the hand signal. Shauna, go to your spot. Super. And reward on the spot. Release and start over again. Shauna, go to your spot. Good. Oh, big one. Release. Okay. Next, you want to start to add more and more distance between you and your dog's spot. Send your dog to your spot. Once she is there, tell her to lay down, and then only start moving to reward her in position. Shauna, go to your spot. Down. Super. And start moving. Good. Good. Then release her. Shauna, come. And try from another angle. Shauna, go to your spot. All the way, go to your spot. Down, down. Yes, good job. That's good. Then as you're training, increase your distance more and more. Come it. Here, warte. Shauna, go to your spot. Platz. Super. Ja, hast du gut gemacht. Platz. Until you're able to even send her from another room. If you and your dogs are also on the journey towards two-legged parenthood, please let us know how you're doing and what you're doing to get your pups ready for the arrival of your baby. And if you like this video and would like to see more free training videos in the future, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you. See you next time. Bye bye.